Hello student, I hope you all are well. Today we will learn and revise our chapter number 7, that is manufacturing industries. So first of all, manufacturing industries. Any economics activity associated with the production of goods is called industries. Industries can be classified on the basis of raw materials, size, ownership and finished products. The factor influencing the locations of industries are available of raw materials, labor, power, water and transportation facilities. Components of an industrial systems are inputs, processes and outputs. In India, steel industries is located in Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Cotton industries, or we can say the cotton textile centers, are Mumbai, Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Surat, Coimbatore, Ludhiana and Panipat. The information technology deals with the processing, storage and transfer of information from one place to another with the help of computers. Silicon Valley in California and Bangalore in India are the major hubs of IT industry. So here this is the some of the concept that I will explain you from the whole chapters. Now coming to the next point, our next point is choose the correct answer. Let's we start some of the exercise regarding these chapters. Okay student, so now coming to the next point. Our next point in your exercise, that is first one is A, choose the correct answers. So question number 1, which of the following industries are not classified on the basis of size? Option A, here there are 4 options that should be given below. So first one is cottage industries, second one is small scale industries, third one is large scale industry and fourth one is iron and steel industry. So what was the answer? Yes, so that is answer A, that is cottage. Cottage industries are not classified on the basis of size. Now the next question, which one of the following industries is not mineral based? Which of the following industries is not a mineral based industry? Option A, aluminium. Option B, iron and steel industry. Option C, paper. Yeah, option D, cement. So here the answer number C, that is paper. Paper industries is not a मिनरल बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री. अगर आपको पूछे कि मिनरल बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री में क्या क्या आता है, सो दैट इज एल्यूमिनियम, आयरन एंड स्टील एंड सीमेंट, बट एक्सेप्ट पेपर. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग is not a man-made fiber? Here the 4 name, that is option A, polyester, option B, cotton, option C, nylon, या option D, rayon. Again I repeat that question, that is which of the following is not a man-made fiber? Polyester, cotton, nylon or rayon? So here the answer is cotton. Cotton is not a man-made fiber because that we will bring from nature. So here the polyester, nylon and rayon are the man-made fiber. Okay. Now the next question is which of the following cities is associated with IT industries? So here the option A, Bangalore. Option B, Pittsburgh. Option C, Osaka. या option D, Ahmedabad. Which of the following cities is associated with IT industry? So here the answer is Option A. Bangalore cities is associated with IT industries. Now next question number 5, that is Steel Authority of India Limited is an example of which type of industries? Steel Authority of India Limited is an example of which type of industry? Option A. Private sector. Option B. Joint sector. Option C. Public sector. या फिर ऑप्शन डी cooperative sector. Again, I will repeat that question, that is Steel Authority of India Limited is an example of which type of industry? So here the answer is option A, that is private sector. उसमें हम लोगों ने रिलायंस का एग्जाम्पल लिया था कि रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज एंड टाटा स्टील्स आर अ प्राइवेट सेक्टर इंडस्ट्रीज. Now coming to our next question, B, that is match the columns, or we can say the match the followings. Match the column with A to B. So here there is some of the example of column A, that is Silicon Valley, inputs and outputs, industrial regions, cottage industries, and Ahmedabad. On the other side, in the column B, that is Mumbai and Pune, pottery, Manchesters of India, industrial system, and information technology. Here the first question is Silicon Valley. Silicon Valley, that is answer A, that is information technology. Next, input and output, that is industrial system. Third one, industrial region. Answer A, Mumbai and Pune. Fourth one is cottage industry. So the answer is B, pottery. Third one is Ahmedabad. So the answer is, everyone know, that is C, the Manchesters of India. Option number C. Okay. Coming to our next topic, that is C, filling the blanks. So here the question number 1 is blank industries use plant and animal products as raw material. So here the answer is agro-based industries use plants and animal product as raw materials. Second question is, on the basis of size, industries can be classified as blank and blank. So here the answer is small scale, large scale, and cottage industries. On the basis of size, industries can be classified as small scale, large scale, and cottage industries. Now the third question is, an industrial system consists of blank, blank, and blank. So here the answer is input, process, and output. An industrial system consists of input, processes, and output. So the next question, number 4, that is iron is smelted in a blank. So the answer is blast furnace. Iron are smelted in a blast furnace. ओके सो आज के लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने रिवीजन एक्सरसाइज में एमसीक्यूज, मैच द कॉलम एंड फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स कंप्लीट की. आई होप यू गाइज यू कैन अंडरस्टूड द whole lecture. Thank you so much and have a nice day.